Hey everybody, welcome back to Mia's Makeups. I am Mia and this is my channel. I am just a makeup enthusiast who just really loves makeup, and I'm trying to find ways to bring it to you, to your world, so that you can, branch out a little bit if you're somebody who has wanted to try makeup and, you're just not like feeling it, or you think you can do it. I'm here to tell you that you can, because I, at one point in my life, felt the same way, and then I was like, hell with it. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. What's the worst that can happen? You mess up, you wash it off. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I have a look for you today, and for those of you who know me, hey, what's up? Thanks for coming back. I've got a couple new subscribers. That's how flabbergasted I am. We got to 30, you guys. 30! Woo woo! Keep telling your friends about me. I love to see new subscribers. Those of you who were new, I thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support. Yeah, so it's been exciting. I've got a couple things in the works in my personal life. That's why it's been a minute since I put out a new video, and homework. That just kind of wrecks my life sometimes. But anyway, so the look I have for you today is actually inspired by a dress that I saw, and I was like, oh, like, those colors are so pretty together. I wanted to buy said dress, but like, I'm trying to resist because I'm on a weight loss journey, and I just know that, I don't want to buy it now and like spend more money later to alter it and whatnot. So that's what I have for you today. The palettes I have for you are, you guys, when this palette came out, like, my heart kind of stopped, and my sister-in-law Jen told me about it, and I was just like, ugh, it makes me feel some kind of way. It's the Muerte palette by Melt Cosmetics. I think you guys probably figured out that Melt is probably one of my favorites brands, but anyway, that's besides the point. So this is kind of like the color scheme that we got going on today. We're going to be working with like the teals here, and then some of the reds. I'm not 100% if I'm going to use the reds from this palette, or if I'm going to play with my new palette, one of them that I got for Christmas this year, the Juvia's Wahala palette. Wahala! I freaking love the colors in this palette, you guys. It's so pretty. I haven't played in it yet. I will not lie, I dipped my fingers in a couple shades. But this is what we're dealing with here. The colors I'm thinking about using or maybe this guy here. We're gonna do some things with cut creases, yeah, this red right here, and maybe like this green, because it's just like calling out to me, and I love green. Anyway, so let's see how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've primed my eyes. I'm using a new primer. It's this Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and yes, it is white. However, I did that so that the colors against my skin will pop, and I did it using this flat little Luxie 245 small shader brush, just to kind of like spatula it on my face. So anyway, whew, you ready for this? I don't know if I'm ready, because I haven't like completely planned this out. But anyway, since I have not played with Juvia's yet, we're gonna start with Miss Juvia over here. So we're gonna go into this red shade right here called Fire. And from the looks of things, it's like super pigmented. Well, I guess I just took like all of it off my brush, so let's try that again. Oops, numero uno. And then I'm not gonna go like all the way across my eye with it. I'm just gonna go kind of like half halvesies so that when it comes to like the turquoise, like we can put it kind of over here and kind of like fudge some things a little bit, right? So this is not as pigmented as I had hoped. I'm having to build it on a little bit more, pack it on a little, but I mean, that's not the worst thing. P.S. If you hear my kids screaming in the background, it's because they discovered like a really funny video or something and they've been going at it for a while. So I have just like a littlest bit of fallout like right here, but like not a big deal. You can always just clean that off there. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same to the other eye. Alright, so here we've got our red that we're starting off with. Then we're gonna go into this pretty little light turquoise shade here. It's called Lagrimas, Tears. This is for their Day of the Dead collection that they came out with. Oh my gosh, colors are so pretty in this. Just so vibrant and delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna use that word to describe makeup color. Delicious. And we're just really gonna buff this like out here a little bit, because we're gonna add in a darker, like a teal. And honestly, you guys, like I had not planned out this look. I don't even know how it's going to look once I'm done. Hopefully it won't be too crazy. But I have a feeling it might be. But that's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. Alright, so there we are, both eyes. And then we're going to go into this darker teal right here, Duelo. I'm just going to start blending that into the red. Just a little here. Ooh. I kind of like how it's coming out. This is what it's about, guys. You get an idea in your head and then you just kind of go for it, and if it works out, cool. If not, wash it off. Or do like I do and use like melting balm and watch it all just off your face. Alright, so there's the other eye, and I'm just gonna go in maybe like here to give kind of that red more of a chance against the turquoise there. And that color is Sangre. And sorry, I actually pointed at Velorio, but we're gonna go into Sangre. Just so it wasn't like such a crazy difference. Yeah, I think that works. I like it. All right. So then, I really wanted to use some of these glitters, but now it's like I don't know if the direction I was thinking about going will complement it. We'll see. Okay. So I really wanted to do this Clout color or this Yanga color. I think maybe we'll do Yanga. No. Maybe we'll tone it down a little bit and just kind of do this guy right here because it's close to Yanga, but it's like it's not as glittery. Okay, no. We're going with Yanga. Because the other one has like a purpley shift, and purple has nothing to do with this look right now. So we're not trying to be too cray. So we're going to do that on the lower line. I've got this NYX glitter glue. We're just going to put it under there so that the glitter stays a little bit better. Okay, we have a plan. So first, I'm actually going to try to go in with this like love color right here. It's called Love. See what it does on the lower lash line. Because it's really pretty, and I don't know, I want to incorporate more colors from my Juvia's palette. Like, that's why I brought it out. Ooh, I should have gone with this one instead. This is more the color that was on the dress, but that is okay. I could repeat this look and, you know, do better. Just kind of curious, like, how that would look in here. Like, along with that turquoise. I think I might take a leap and see what happens. Pray for me. Hope it's not too crazy. That's not bad. I feel like that livened it up just a little. I kind of feel like I'm looking a little like a Mexican flag, so I'm glad I'm adding some glitter in. Okay, so here we go with the glitter glue. One sec, let me go ahead and apply that. Alright, glitter glue is applied now. Oh my god, I feel a little like a mermaid. What are we thinking? Do you like it? I like it. I like it a lot. This is also my first time, you guys, using the glitter glue, so it's going okay though so far, it seems like. So pretty. Wowza. Like I said, feeling like a mermaid right now. I don't hate it. Don't hate it at all. Alright. And I did leave, I did go all the way up to my brow because I planned on using something else. Wasn't sure what yet, but I think maybe let's try that green up there. Maybe? Or have this really pretty gold right here called Calaca, which is like skull. Let's do Calaca. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm just taking some on my finger here. This could easily be a highlighter, you guys. So pretty. Sorry if you hear my crazy kids. So I got some nice shimmer going on there. Another thing, you guys, if your look doesn't seem like it's coming together necessarily, don't be quick to wash it off or anything. Finish it, right? Like see where it goes, because sometimes like makeup takes you on a journey and it's almost like getting lost and you're like I don't know where I am, but then like you turn the corner and then all of a sudden there's like this beautiful meadow like scenery and you didn't think that you would like stumble across something like that. So finish what you like, how you think it'll go, or you know, like where you think you were going with it. And like, you know, do your mascara, do your eyeliner, because sometimes I'll fudge my looks with mascara and eyeliner, and they like, I'm like, oh, like that doesn't look half bad. And and it just kind of helps like bring it together a little bit, or like cover it up kind of, you know. And it ends up not being like the worst. Like this, I for a second there I was like, I don't know, I'm not real sure how I like that, how that's coming together. But then, like, and some of you may not care for this look. That's totally fine, because I'm doing me, right? Like, I have plenty of other videos with other looks that you might like. But leave comments below, negative or positive. I'm open. I'm open to like constructive criticism, right? So that's what we're here for. We're all here to learn together, you guys. Okay, so I've got my Kalaka on there. Came down with it here. I think it's looking nice. I wanted to pop something in the corner of my eye. I'm just not sure what. I don't want to do clout because I just feel like it's just so chunky. It's glittery. It's pressed glitter. Maybe. Okay, after much deliberation, we're gonna go with Kalaka right there in the corner of the eye too. Just because, you know, we did it up here, so it's not gonna kill anything to do it just right in the corner of the eye. All right, so here we are with the semi-finished look. I'm digging it, not hating it. Do a little close-up for you here. All right, everybody. Another semi-finished glance at this here look. Yeah. I got my Maneater on, Maneater mascara on board. Love this stuff. Like, really separates the eyelashes, doesn't make them clumpy. Love it. Came in my BoxyCharm box. Added bonus. Anyway, the lipstick I'm gonna try to use, not sure if it'll work real well, is Saint by Lime Crime. Lime Crime has a special place in my heart because they were one of the first palettes that I owned. Like big palettes, because I had some like dinky ones before, but anyway, here we go. Voila. This may or may not be one of my new favorite reds. It's kind of like a dusky rose red. I don't know. I like it. It's nice. So here we are, friends. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much for tuning back in, and we'll see what I have for you guys next time on Mia's Makeups. Love yourself, love what you do, and always be you. Mwah! Love you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks for the new subscribers. Don't forget to hit the little subscribe down below. And hit the little notification bell so that you get notified whenever I make a new video. And follow me on Instagram also, at Mia's Makeups. See you guys next time. Bye.